2016 Blizzard Extraordinaire. Well, either nobody's home or they've closed things down.
The storm's blown over, but the tempest Governor Christie unleashed by suggesting reports of flooding had been overblown, that's still whipping up emotions down the shore where some high-powered senators saw the flood damage for themselves. Brenda Flanagan reports.
Residents power washed the sand and mud off driveways and put soggy belongings out to the curb. Seattle City's still cleaning up after Saturday's storm when the Back Bay flooded homes.
I looked out the window, and there's like a river of ice just going down the street.
There's a lot of high tide. This is like a river. Once it comes over the bulkhead, it's like 4 foot out here in the street.
Silt covers the floor in John Pratt's house. How much did you lose?
Wherever got wet goes, furniture and stuff.
Everything.
Yeah.
Residents say that they're grateful the Army Corps of Engineers finished building the storm barrier on the beach back in November. But as you can see, it took a real hit in terms of erosion. A cavalcade of officials, including New Jersey's 2 U.S. senators.
I don't see what you expect me to do. You want me to go down there with a mop? I don't see what you expect me to do. You want me to go down there with a mop?
What do you expect him to be doing?
Well, I had a lot of respect for him, but I think I lost it after I heard that.
The presidential race will wait. You have people with disasters here. That's your main concern. It's us here in New Jersey.